Hello everyone, today I am going to draw and color a cake. This is a happy birthday cake. Let's start coloring the cake now. Pink, blue, yellow, purple, orange, green. Let's color the balloons now. I'm going to color the balloons with red color. It's glitter time. Let's color the star with yellow glitters. I'm going to make the candle also glittery. Yellow glitters. Let's color the small hearts with red glitters. Let's use red glitters on the candle. The cake looks so yummy. Let's color happy birthday now. I'm going to read the alphabets. H, A, P, P, Y, B, I, R, T, H, T, A, Y. Happy birthday! Bye bye. See you next time.